Linking your bank account to LPL Financial is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your investments and transactions more efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the LPL Financial website and log into your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in your account dashboard. This area typically contains options for managing your personal information and linked accounts. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SREC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Enter bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues with linking. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link Account button to finalize the process. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your bank account has been successfully linked. Once you've completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your LPL Financial account, allowing for seamless transactions and management of your investments.